Hello, welcome to this video. We will solve user ID controlled by request parameter with password disclosure challenge. To access the challenge, click on this button. This challenge is part of access control category and difficulty for this challenge is Apprentice. As per the challenge description, this lab has user account page that contains current users existing password pre-filled in a mask input. To solve the lab, retrieve the administrator's password, then use it to delete user Carlos. You can log into your own account using the following credential. So we have received credential to log into application. And to solve this challenge, we need to delete this Carlos account by retrieving admin password. So first, now go to challenge page, click on my account to log in as this account, copy the username, then password, and click on login button. Provide password again. So this is my account page, and we can notice the logged in username, and the same username we can notice in the URL. And there is one field for email and another field for password value. So ideally, applications should not keep this kind of input field which can disclose password value in plain text. Even though it is masked, we can just right click and go to inspect, and we can go to this particular input field. So here we can notice input type is password. So instead of password, we can change it to text and click on enter button. So we can notice the password value in plain text. So this is one kind of vulnerability which will come under insecure design. So even though this is showing password for the same logged in user, let's say if someone get the logged in session, then they can get the password value, or by solder something, someone can get this kind of password value. But however, in this challenge, we need to perform broken access control kind of attack, and we need to retrieve the password value of admin user to delete the Carlos account. So first, we need to get the password value of admin. So for that, like we can try to change this winner account with the admin username account. So we'll just copy this username, change it to administrator, and click on enter button. So if we notice, username is changed to administrator in the page, and also password value is there for this particular account. We can follow the same approach by going to inspect. We can get the plain text password value, or we can go to Burp Suite and we can find out this particular request. So we can notice account ID, name is changed to admin. We can search for password. So we can notice 8 matches. So we need to find out the input. So this is the input. So here we can notice input required type password, name password, and this is the value. And to confirm this, we can just right click and inspect, and we can change the type to text. So double click on the type and click on text. So we can notice the same password value disclosed. So we can copy this particular password value, and this time we will log in as admin account, because we to solve the challenge we need to delete Carlos account, and we will have that functionality in the admin login. So administrator, and paste the copied password from the response. So here we can notice one additional functionality, admin panel. So click on admin panel. and delete button is available for the Carlos account. So currently status is not solved. Click on delete button for Carlos account and we can notice user deleted successfully and challenge solved successfully. So in this challenge, we can observe two worst category. One is like insecure design, where password value present in the application page itself, and second is like broken access control, which allowed lower privilege user to uh, open page of administrator account and get the password value, then perform this privilege functionality. So challenge solved. Thank you.